If this is 1014, this isobar is 1014, the most inner one. That means the places where this isobar is passing through, all those places which are covering under the same line, the same isobar, will have the pressure of 1014. It's not at this one specific place ki yahin pe hi 1014. It's not like that. Isobar in this whole, the area which is coming under this isobar, this whole area has a pressure of 1014. This is how it works. For example, again, if this is 1016, so it doesn't mean that only in this area pressure is 1016. That means this whole isobar, this whole line, this whole area has a pressure of 1016. This is an example I'm showing. The whole pressure will be 1016. This is how isobars work. So isobars are nothing but lines which are drawn on the chart which show you places of equal pressure. Equal pressure. Exam mein kya puchte hain? What they ask in the exam is the difference between isobars and a very similar sounding term which is called as icelobars. Neha, can you tell me the difference between two? This is isobars ka kya likhu? Abhi bataya. Showing places of equal pressure. Showing places of equal pressure. This question comes very frequently in MET, and also they ask this in RTR Viva also, okay? So pay attention. That means pressure is there which is equal in this whole area. Icelobars is an area in which it shows you the tendency of the pressure. Tendency batata hai whether the pressure has a tendency to change or no. It shows you pressure tendency. The word which is added is pressure tendency. They ask you this difference. In the exam also, the question comes, for example, places showing, lines on the charts showing places of equal pressure. Option A, isobars. Option B, icelobars. Option 3, for example, contour charts. That also will cover what the contour charts is. So which one should be the answer? Places of equal pressure? Isobars. Okay, this is how the exam question comes. So those who have studied, to unko pata hoga ki icelobars I don't have to mark, because icelobars was showing the places of changes in pressure, equal pressure tendency. Whether the pressure has a tendency to change or no in that area. That is called as icelobars. Okay, so let's write down about it.